Hello, today's episode I'm going to show you how to paint foam latex. Foam latex comes with a pale yellowish light color and it needs to be painted. First, I'm going to make PAX paint with the Prose and acrylic paint. Normally I use Latex. First color I use is Mauve color. Mauve color is inner skin tone under the regular skin tone. If you look at your skin, you see that the redness inside. You need to add that. Then I whipped the sponge so it doesn't have a straight line. And make sure to get the debris out. Then stipple. Also, I put the recipe of PAX, the link in the description. Then when you paint, make sure to stipple and stay away from the prosthetics edge. After it's done, let it dry. Next color I'm going to use is Sibui. A lot of people paint the skin tone directly on the foam latex, but if you don't put this mauve color underneath, when the strong light hits on the prosthetics, it tends to get pale. So I recommend you to do the mauve step. Next color is the dark green. This one I diluted with the water. Then lightly stipple. I want to see the skin color coming out. If you feel it's too strong, you can use more water in it. Next one, I'm using the alcohol base color and cut the chip brush into the angle. Then I'm using the skin tone and spatter. This will make the colors blended together, so it's not just green color only. Then I'm using the brown. Then the next one is black. Spattering. This spattering technique will make it more organic looking. Next one is airbrush. I use Pache H and EVA color. I think this one was C11. And using the alcohol to dilute. And I'm doing some contour. Make it a little bit shallow. And sometimes I do the model effects. Very subtle. Next one is Lividity. Painting over the veins. And also I'm doing around the nose and the cheek. That way it has some warmth in it. It's called the pre-paint, and I love to do this one. That way when you apply to the actor, it doesn't take too much and cut the application time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.